I think we're asking the wrong question. Every time a new design tool comes out, people immediately ask, is this a Canva killer? I almost did the same thing with Kittl AI. Then I stopped and thought, wait a second. Do I actually want another Canva, or do I want a tool that solves a problem Canva doesn't? That completely changed the way I looked at Kittl. Here's the thing. If you're running a business, posting on social media, or making YouTube thumbnails every week, you don't wake up thinking about software. You wake up thinking about deadlines. You need a thumbnail before lunch, a flyer before your meeting, a logo before your client calls. At that point, you don't really care which platform wins the internet debate. You care about getting great looking designs without wasting half your day. That's where Kittl AI started making sense to me. Instead of trying to copy Canva, it feels like it's leaning into creative design. The typography tools, templates, and AI features are built for people who want designs that look a little less generic. I found myself spending more time experimenting with ideas instead of dragging boxes around the screen. That surprised me because I wasn't expecting the creative process to feel that different. Now, does that mean I'm deleting Canva tomorrow? No, and I don't think most people will either. Canva has become part of a lot of people's daily workflow for a reason. It's fast, familiar, and incredibly practical. If your team already uses it every day, switching just because another tool exists probably isn't a smart move. But here's where I think Kittl has a real opportunity. If you've ever looked at your design and thought, why does this still look like a Canva template? Then Kittl starts becoming really interesting. Sometimes you don't need more features, you just need a different creative direction. And that's exactly what I think this tool is trying to offer. So after thinking about it for a while, I don't believe Kittl AI is trying to replace Canva. I think it's trying to replace that moment when you're staring at a blank canvas, making the same designs you've already made 100 times. For some creators, that's a much bigger problem to solve. Now, I want to ask you something. If you could only keep one design tool for the next year, would it be Kittl AI or Canva? Comment below and tell me why. I'm genuinely curious because I think your answer depends a lot more on how you create than on which app has the bigger name.